Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You just need to check my video description for this site link. Just scroll down and go to files and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into this site guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. And then it will start download. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to option. After the extract done, copy this pack file and then you just need to navigate to the game folder guys. So after you are in the game folder, you just need to open the midnight folder and content folder and packs folder and paste the pack file we copied and then just to close stuff here and launch the game and enjoy the mod guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.